guys will get you wet.
Well, aquaculture really is farming of fish, both freshwater and marine fish. What we're doing here at the Great Lakes Water Institute is to develop what we call brood stocks of the tambaqui. The two ultimate goals are, one, to get them to reproduce, and they're aquacultured pretty heavily in South America, and they're considered a prized food fish. So what we have to do is to simulate certain conditions that might occur in the Amazon, and that's really where the difficulty is. With aquaculture, you can use different systems to grow the fish. So you can use what's called flow-through, where the water goes in and the water goes out. Or you can use net pen cultures, where you actually put the fish in a pen and you put them in a large body of water. Or you can do what's called recirculation aquaculture. So that's what the tambaqui are being held in. Compared to flow-through systems, they conserve water pretty greatly.
The temperature, maintain the temperature when it's on recirculation.
And what we try to do is to make it as automated as possible. That system, when it's fully operational, will have monitoring systems for a number of physical chemical parameters. The other thing is to be able to grow the tambaqui in a recirculation system under high density conditions that would be similar to what you would want when you're producing large numbers of them to sell them. For producers, one of their biggest costs is fish food. So the thing about tambaqui that makes them different is that they're not carnivores, they're herbivores. So that's a major advantage of them, is the fact that you can use a plant source like soybean to produce the protein to make their feed. There isn't a super huge market for them, but I think that market could be established pretty quickly because the fish taste very different. And I think it tastes different because of the food that it's eating. You could change the types of food, fruit, nuts that you're actually feeding it, and will probably change the taste of the flesh. And the other thing that makes them different is that their flesh is really firm, and it's been described as being pork-like. So it's the other white meat.